Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tape Ninja. We're gonna make this awesome mini duct tape axe today. Let's get into the video. First, you want to take a strip of black duct tape and roll it into your handle. When starting this, you will want to roll it as tight as you can, then let it naturally roll the rest of the way for a smooth outer layer for the handle of your mini axe. Next, we need to cut a little bit off both ends with an X-Acto knife, and we're going to make it around 2 inches. Now we're on to the blade, and for that you will need to fold a silver piece of tape in half. Then draw the axe pattern you want on a piece of paper and tape it to the top of the silver piece with 4 small pieces of tape to hold it on securely while you cut. Then cut out the blade using the X-Acto knife. And never forget to use a cutting board underneath. If you don't have an X-Acto knife, head down to the description where you'll find an affiliate link to Amazon, and you can buy an X-Acto knife for this and many other projects. Now take your X-Acto knife and cut the axe head out carefully and slowly. Make sure not to cut yourself, and always use this tool safely. And don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe for more. And comment down below what your favorite weapon is, and maybe I'll make it sometime soon. Now let's put a small square of tape on top of the handle and push it down on the sides. Then wrap another small piece around it to keep the sides down and looking good. And finally, we are going to tape a small piece on one side of the axe head, wrap it around the silver part of the handle, and connect it to the other side of the axe head. And we're finished. If you want to make one too, check out the link in the description to get an X-Acto knife and cutting board, and of course, duct tape for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to Tape Ninja. Comment down below what you want to see me make next, and go ahead and check out my last video.